My name is Captain Shaukat Mukherjee and I am very pleased to tell you and inform you that the Naval Connection Virtual Academy brings to you yet another mind-blowing course titled the Oil Tanker Cargo Loading and Discharging Workshop. What will you learn from this course? If you are a deck officer sailing on tankers or intending to sail on tankers, this course is going to tell you everything that you want to know about cargo calculations, about making the perfect cargo plan for your ship, handling stresses, and also ensuring that your vessel stays within acceptable levels of stress throughout the cargo loading and discharging operations. It is going to teach you about pressure testing of lines and cargo papers and cargo documentation. All this together will ensure that you not only keep the vessel and the crew and the cargo safe at all times, it will help you to also reduce cargo claims to a minimum. In order to register for this course,